Buying the DJI Air 2S combo was a great choice, but I needed more accessories like the PGYTech Propeller holder to maintain my drone in place when traveling.
If you want to know how to install it, let's talk about it after the trailer.
Aside from my soul.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celine and together we will see how to install the PGYTech Propeller holder on the DJI Air 2S.
Because it is made of flexible silicone material, you'll have no problem installing it. Let's first start with the bigger silicone band that you put on the upper side of the drone. As a reference, keep in mind that the two pointy edges of the silicone band are facing upward. Now, stretch your band and place it right in the middle of the drone so it grips each side securely. For those of you who have bought a skin or want to decorate their drone with a skin, I wouldn't advise you to buy the silicone band as it may scratch and ruin the skin.
Now, let's see how to install the smaller silicone band on the undercarriage of the drone.
You see, there is a long hole right here, where the blades should fit. There is absolutely no need to bend the blades in order to insert them properly. Just open the blades and insert them one by one into the silicone band. It protects the tip of the propellers and the rotors no longer move freely in your bag. Don't forget to remove them prior of switching on your device.
Don't forget to like and subscribe in order to see each other again soon. Take care les amis. Salut!
If you are interested in the DJI Air 2S, here are some more videos about it on my YouTube channel.